In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the header from your Weebly site pages. If you've ever found yourself wishing for a cleaner, more streamlined look on certain pages of your site, this guide is just for you. We'll go through the process step by step, ensuring clarity along the way. To begin, let's navigate to your Weebly site's editor. Once you're there, look toward the top of the screen. You should see a menu option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll find a list of all the pages that make up your site, from your homepage, blog, or any additional pages you might have set up. Now, with the list of pages in view, carefully select the specific page for which you want to remove the header. Maybe it's a content-heavy page where the header feels a bit much, or perhaps you want to simplify things altogether. Whatever your reason, click on that page name, and it will bring up the specific settings for that page. Next, direct your attention to the Header Type drop-down menu. This is where you'll find options for how the header appears, or if it appears at all. Some options might include a large banner style or a more compact version, but since we're aiming to remove it entirely, you'll need to change this setting to no header. Making this small adjustment will immediately refresh the look of your page, giving it a clean and unencumbered appearance. This setup is particularly useful for pages where you want your content to take center stage without any distractions from a prominent header. And there you go, you're all done. It's a straightforward process and doesn't take much time, but the visual result can be quite impactful. By removing the header, you offer viewers a more focused approach, making sure their attention is exactly where you want it to be, on the content itself. Remember, you can switch things back if you ever change your mind or want to experiment with different designs. Just revisit the Header Type dropdown and choose the option that suits your revamped vision best. Weebly is designed with flexibility and ease in mind, so feel free to play around until you're happy with the final outcome. So that wraps up today's session. With just a few clicks, you've learned how to grant certain pages a cleaner look, free from headers. This simple trick helps cater the layout of your site to your audience's needs and enhances the overall browsing experience. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. See you in the next video.